Hello student. Now today we start our new chapter number 9, 10, visual solid shapes. Okay, visualizing solid shapes. Now different type of shapes. We know familiar with 2D shapes. 2D means two dimension. Okay, they are square, rectangle, triangle, circle. These are 2D shapes. Okay, now today we learn different shapes, that is 3D shapes. 3D means three dimension. In 2D total two dimensions are there, two directions are there, x and y direction. Okay, and in 3D total three directions are there, x, y and z. Okay, they are cubes. Okay, then cuboid, then sphere, pyramid. Okay, these type shapes are called 3D shapes. Okay, now 3D shapes are there. In this chapter we learn about 3D shapes. We familiar with 2D shapes, maps. Okay, maps are 2D shapes. We familiar with map. Map is depict the location of particular object, otherwise space, in relation of other spaces. Means it's represent the distance, otherwise way, otherwise only place. It's represent the place only. Okay, that is 2D. Now in 3D shapes, these type of objects are there. Okay, according to looking that one, there are three views are there. Okay, in 3D shapes three views are there. This side, okay, that is front side, so it's called front view. This side is side view. Okay, and this one is top view. Okay, these are the three views from which we looked at object. Okay, front, side and top view. Front view, side view and top view. Okay, three type of views are there according to looking that object. Okay, now in that 3D ways, faces, edges and vertices. Okay, now what is faces? So look, suppose one cube is there like that. So faces means, in short, face means 2D shapes. How many 2D shapes are there? Okay, look, this one is front side, that is square. Same in back side, that is also square. So 1 and 2, 1 front side, 2 back side, 3 right side, 4th left side, 5th top side and down side. Okay, that is base. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 6 faces are there. So 6 means shapes, different type of shapes of sides. Okay, in short, they are 2D shapes. How many 2D shapes are there? You just check that one. Okay, that is faces. Then edges. Edge means where two faces intersect each other. Means they, when two faces intersect, here we are having one line segment. Okay, that means in short, you just find out total how many line segments are there in that shape. Here in that cube, look, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Same here, 9 10 11 12. Okay, 12. So 12 edges are there. So edges means where two faces meet. Okay, where the two faces here, look, front and top view meet at here. Top view and right view meet here. Front and right view meet here. Okay, so they are line segments where two faces meet. Okay, then vertices means vertex. Okay, group of vertex. How many vertex are there? You just find out there. So vertices means the points where the angles form. Okay, means more than two faces meet at a point. They are called vertices. Look here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, means 8 vertices are there. Okay, so 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices are there. Same in rectangle, means cuboid. Okay, like that, this one is cuboid shape. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 faces are there. Then these are the vertices. Okay, in next pair I will show you the solid shapes. Okay, with that one. So these are the vertices, edges and faces. Okay, now we already discussed about 3D shapes. So different 3D shapes are there. Look, one is cuboid, like that. Then cube, then cuboid, then spheres, then cone. Okay, then pyramid. Okay, like that. They are called 3D shapes. In that, polyhedron shapes are there. So which are the polyhedron shapes? So polyhedron shapes means if the edges of objects are line segments and they meet at vertices which are points, are called polyhedrons. Okay, like that. Look, in that cuboid, the edges, these are line segments. Okay, but in cone, here the circle is there. In sphere, circle is there. In cylindrical shape, okay, upper side and lower side as circles are there, so they are not polyhedrons. Okay, polyhedron means in which the edges are line segments. Okay, edges means where the faces meet and they make line segments, that is called polyhedron. So in our portion, how many polyhedron shapes are there? They are cube, this one, then cuboid, then prism and pyramids. Okay, they are polyhedron. Now what is the difference between prism and pyramid? So prism means, so look, here the cuboid is there, cube is there. Okay, and otherwise cuboid, and one more shape. Look, look, this one, it is base and this one is top. Same here, this one is base and this one is top. So if the polyhedron whose base and top are congruent polygons, congruent means they are same in shapes and same in measurements. Okay, same shapes are there. So here top and base both are same. Okay, so these type of shapes are called prism shape. Okay, if the base and tops are same in shape, means they are congruent polygons, these type of shapes are called prism shapes. Okay, now look, this one is base. Okay, and up top side is single point is there. Okay, one more, look, base is in a square form and top is a point. Okay, this one is base and here top is point. These type of shapes are called pyramid shapes. Okay, so prism means if the top and base are congruent in shapes, means same in shapes, they are called prism. And if the base is a polygon and top is a point, this type of shape is called pyramid. Okay, so here prism and pyramids are there. Here cube and cuboids are there. They are polyhedron. Okay, and last point is Euler's formula. So what is Euler formula? That is F plus V minus E equal to 2. Okay, otherwise change the side of E, so that is F plus V equal to 2 plus E, otherwise E plus 2. Okay, here F means faces, total number of faces, V means vertices, and E means edges. Okay, so Euler formula is used to find out number of faces if vertices and edges are given. Value of vertices if face and edges are given, means to find out value of F, V or E if out of them value of any two are given. Okay, for cuboid first we check the Euler formula. Okay, look here, how many faces are there? So number of faces, 1, front, back, 1, 2, left, right, okay, 3, 4, top, base, 6, total 6 are there. Vertices, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 vertices are there. And edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. They are 12. Okay, now look, F plus V minus E, let we count. 6 plus 8 minus edges are 12. 8 plus is 14 minus 12, that is 2. It's here. Okay, so here. Now question is there, suppose a polyhedron having 10 faces, 20 edges, then find out how many vertices are there. How many vertices are there? Okay, so according to Euler's formula, F plus V minus E equal to 2. Now put the value of F. F is 10. Suppose 10. V is not given and E equal to 20. H is equal to 20. That is 2. Okay. Now change the side of 20. 2. Here minus is there. Make it plus. So 10 plus V equal to 22. So V equal to 22 plus 10 is there. We change the side. It's become minus V equal to 12. So how many vertices are there? In that 12 vertices are there. If the polyhedron having 10 faces and 20 edges. So it has 12 vertices. Okay. So that is the introduction of visualizing solid shapes. Okay. In next period we solve our first exercise. Okay. That is 10.1. Okay. Thank you.